Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and a young lady ran this with her text right here on the elephant's trunk, and when it ran it, it put the text down here to like another path. I don't know how she text a path it in this part, but when you do anything to it, when you go to object and break text apart, it moves it around a path. And so there's something going on there. So what I would suggest is, I don't know if the text is broken apart. Let's go to group, break text apart, get the text, and let's just move it out of the way. And then I don't have that font. It's kind of a cute saying, I'll remember for you. I'm going to use another font, maybe something close, and make it quite a bit smaller. Let's say that. And since we're going to put it on this path, I would rotate it 270 degrees and kind of just, that way you can kind of just put it up there and see how thick it is. That'll work pretty good. And what I would do for this path would be to take my 3-point line and just make a new path. First of all, I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 2 inches, because I want to nudge my path out of the way. So I'm going to get my 3-point curve, and I think in the original drawing, she was from like there to there. Now you can get it pretty close, but then you need to grab your shape tool and kind of tweak this thing to get it closer to that path. And we did pretty good. Now I can move that thing over 2 inches. So now let's take our new text, go to text, text to path, and put it on this path. Select it all. And here's kind of the key. Go ahead and break the text apart. So you'll just have text. And maybe even on a safe side, go to object and convert it to a curve, and then nudge it right back. Now we're a little bit off because we started on that line. Let's go 0.01, and we'll move that thing off just a hair to get it in there. I almost guarantee there's something going on that the print driver moves it, because when you just clicked on it, it moved it around the corner. It might be moving around the whole path. This way, and she actually said that she kind of welded it all together. I don't know how that's going to help, but it might. And I guarantee that's the way I would do text to path in this situation. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.